Welcome to Design Workbook using SOLIDWORKS Scalloped knob lesson. Make a new part using the inches template and add a sketch in the front plane. Use the line tool, draw the sketch and dimension as indicated. Select the Sketch Fillet tool, set the radius, and click on the corners to round. Select the Circular Sketch Pattern command. Select the center for the pattern. Set the number of copies. And select the elements to copy. Click OK to finish. Select the Sketch Fillet command. Set the fillet radius and select the lines to fillet. To fully define the sketch, select the part's origin and the line's endpoint and add a coincident sketch relation. Add an extruded boss, set the extrusion's depth and click OK. In the front face, add a new sketch, draw and dimension as indicated. Use the polygon tool to add a hexagon. Dimension and add a horizontal relation to one side. Make an extruded boss. Set the extrusion's depth and click OK to finish. Using the fillet command, set the fillet radius and select the edges indicated. Save the part to finish.